You know what time it is. It is time to get to bassing. Today, we are at a pond that I don't think I've ever brought y'all to, or that I've ever fished at on camera. But I'm out here with the big cuz, the bass stalker. And we coming out here, we're gonna see what they doing. We are in the full heat of the spawn. So, you know, the fish are doing their thing, they're doing their Marvin Gaye thing out here. So, you know, we gonna try to let them have their fun. Wink, wink, can't see me wink. But in any case, we're gonna put on these boots because it's grassy as crap out there. You know what I'm saying, as you can tell. Well, you can't tell, I'm wearing shorts. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to see. Other than that, again, the mystery tackle box thing is coming. Let's just get to it. Oh, so, because it's so darn grassy, I gotta put on these darn boots. First I gotta learn how to stand, but put on these boots to get out there and do the darn thing. Oh, I look a little weird in shorts and boots, especially the rubber boots. Okay, put this back up. I am going to start off, well, I'm gonna take these two for right now until I see anything different. I don't know why, but I've been wanting to get on a good, I'm messing up. I've been wanting to get on a good jig bite here for a good little while. And my bad. I had to get this rod untangled. Apparently, I got more rods to get untangled. How the hell did this happen? This got caught up in my bail. And I don't know how. If I can see the spawning flat. That's what I'm looking for. What, the beds? Well, actually, since the sun comes up from this side, the bed should be over there. Yeah, we did start on the dam. I'm gonna get enough of walking through this mess. Yeah, I'm gonna come on back down and walk down this way. Yes, I do. Cause he cares about me so much when it comes to fishing that, you know, he makes sure that I'm very well prepared. But I checked the Bass app. It's supposed to be a pretty daggum good day. They gave it a 6.5. Trying to get down here by these stumps. There's a lot of them right here in front of us. Right out right here over here. Yeah. I ain't trying to find them. I am. Bless you, yeah, you're right. I'm trying to find them because that's. Yeah, but I don't want to hook them. That's what I'm talking about finding. Oh, I'm set up to I ain't worried about hooking them. This actually look pretty daggum deep right here. Like once you get about right there, it's gonna drop off on you behind. If I knew it was this clear, but then too, I ain't really never been this close to the water. Like I most time been on top of it, but it didn't look this clear the last time that we were here. Yep. Get your line. Ooh, monkey off my back. that monkey off my back on that first go. Traffic won't put the girl. Here's the first little guy. Y'all know Cuzzo eat. Go hit me with the line. Okay. But tongue touch. But Cuzzo, he eats them, so y'all know that. Set you out here. Oh.
Stick it real farther back there. He ain't got to be weighed out there. Just stick it as far as you can back on the bank.
I set him down in there. He said freedom.
If we done had some, turn around and stick it like that. Look up the damn string going in the water.
Good gracious. For you guys on Facebook, not Facebook, YouTube. We need to see place a little wager. I shouldn't do this because then that's gonna jinx me.
What?
I was gonna say place a little wager of when I'm gonna goose egg, not catch any.
Alright, now why you got to say that?
I was gonna do that for you.
Give me one reason why you got to say that.
You know, I haven't goose egged yet.
What you fishing with?
Shaky head, ribbon tail, not a real tail, straight tail worm.
What you mean? You talking about the thing goose egg right?
Meaning you go fishing and you catch nothing.
We just coming to drop the water level.
That's all we doing. I'm saying with me, every time I've been fishing, I've always came back with something. Might be just one, but I come back with something.
You ain't finna go to no ropey-dopey pond. Ain't that another boat?
Yep.
And try to, get in our path.
I feel you on that.
Try to put much ground we can. Them big ones is gonna get burdened pretty soon.
I believe them big ones are pretty much on.
Back there in that back, shit. Get ready to come out there.
He thought he got away.
He thought he got away.
Mm-hmm.
I know some of them they figure out for like 75, 85.
Oh shoot, the dude that I know,
Stuff like that,
like he got his own boat. Yeah, and he prior military. He said, when you ready, all you gotta do is just let me know. And see, he in Alabama. That ain't really too far.
Do a little bit more trapping in the summer.
Damn. Nah, I felt when he did doom doom doom, but he just grabbed the tail. Maybe he had to think, oh wait a minute, did I shut my darn drag?
Yeah, I always check mine, cause
Yeah, my drag set.
if I can't want to pull one in, I check it in, cause sometimes it'll pull tight. Sometimes, boy, you'll throw dead in one mouth.
That's what I'm waiting on.
By the time you get ready, like I said, you get ready.
I'm waiting on that. Once that spawn over with and they get real active, I'm waiting on that. Well, I'll be shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh?
It ain't funny, but I didn't see what you see.
You didn't see it?
No, I didn't see it. What you see?
Daggone snake.
But you should have seen how you picked up your leg, man. You was running like Fred Sampson.
I could barely pick it up, but dadgummit, he wouldn't move, boy. I got the heck on. Man, they go around you. Good gracious. Yeah, I can see my feet better right here. No. Good grief. Well, that'll get your heart rate pumping.